icon when you subscribe so you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Ongoing trends in law and technology threaten anonymity like never before, undermining our ability to speak and read freely online. From executives of major corporations to casual home browsers, anyone can become a victim of network surveillance. That's why we created Anonybox. Anonybox works by routing all of your internet traffic over Tor. Tor was originally developed and used by the US government as a secure means of communication, but Tor has since become open source and available for free to the public. Tor works just like a normal internet browser, but instead of connecting you directly to your desired destination, Tor bounces your communications around a network of relays all around the world. This prevents somebody watching your internet connection from learning what sites you visit, and it prevents the sites you visit from learning your physical location. This means you can browse with anonymity and safeguard yourself from prying eyes. Anonybox is your key to the open web. Sometimes called the dark or deep web, the open web makes up over 80% of all web pages in existence and cannot be accessed using a normal, unsecure web browser. Sites like Facebook are launching versions of their site on the open web, offering users a more private alternative while providing others a way to use these essential services in countries that enforce internet censorship. More popular sites will likely soon follow suit. Anonybox also grants you freedom from network censorship. Whether it's a blocked web page at school or work, or a government firewall censoring network traffic, Anonybox gives you freedom in an increasingly restrictive online world. VPN capabilities are also available with Anonybox. This provides you with the ability to specify an IP location while adding additional encryption, enhancing your online privacy and security. How does it work? We made Anonybox portable and durable, so you can carry your key to privacy in the open web anywhere you go. From hotel rooms to your home, your favorite coffee shops to work, online privacy and anonymity is seconds away. Just connect your computer to Anonybox, then connect Anonybox to the internet. Then enjoy using the internet as you normally would, but with the comfort of knowing that all of your traffic is being routed over the Tor network. Make sure to learn about our full line of Anonybox devices to find one that meets your privacy needs. And our support staff are here to answer any.
If you want a smart way to protect your home or business, then you need a security camera system with smart detection technology and real-time notifications that begins recording only when there's a real threat. Conventional recording systems can generate numerous unwanted notifications based on pixel changes in the camera's view. Imagine getting notified during heavy rainfall, light changes, or when bugs fly across the lens. Not the best solution. That's why Night Owl created the brand new patent-pending Smart Infrared Detection Camera System, the wired security system of the future, and the only one of its kind. It uses a passive infrared sensor to detect human body heat and animals, as well as vehicles at your home or business. Our system immediately sends you a smart notification and begins recording only during real activity in motion, making Night Owl the wisest choice in home detection technology. Conventional systems produce hours of irrelevant footage, and locating that one important recording becomes much like trying to find a needle in a haystack, frustrating and time-consuming. The Night Owl Smart Infrared Detection Camera ensures that only real events have been recorded, making it simpler to find the one you need. And because the Night Owl Smart System only records when absolutely necessary, it conserves more hard drive space compared to conventional security systems. You are the best protection for your home or business, and having a Night Owl Smart Infrared Detection Camera is the closest thing to being there when you're away. As always, our unprecedented customer service is available 24/7, 365 days a year in both English and Spanish. The Night Owl Smart Infrared Detection Camera System. Quality, reliability, and excellent customer service, all designed to protect what matters most to you.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.
We have a really simple philosophy here at Oplink. We think that everyone should have the peace of mind that comes with staying connected to their home and the people and the things that they love.
Oplink Security is a home security solution that is easy to use, easy to install, affordable, and can be managed all from your smartphone.
When we say plug and play, we truly mean plug and play. The system is so easy, anybody can do it. There's no IP addresses to worry about, there's no pairing to do. You truly just take this out of the box, put your sensors where you like, put your cameras where you like, and the system's ready to use.
Now, if you ever want to expand your system, that's really easy to do. You just add a camera, add a sensor at any time, you plug it in and it automatically will configure that new item.
At the heart of this is our mobile cloud, and the mobile cloud allows the user to monitor their home from any place in the world.
That's what enables us to have a completely wireless solution. So you're getting 24/7 protection no matter where you are.
Plus, the system is portable. If you move a lot or if you're renting your home, you can unplug the system, box it up, and take it with you and install it at your next home.
There's a few things we've done to make Oplink such an affordable solution. First, the simplicity. It's so easy to use, it's so easy to install, you never have to have an installation crew come out and install it for you. You do it yourself. The other thing we've eliminated is long-term service contracts, so you never get that feeling like you're locked in.
One of the things that people love about the system is when there's an event that's triggered, it actually sends you a video notification. 5 seconds prior to the event, 25 seconds after the event. It gives you the ability to actually see what went on and make a decision, because 92% of all alarms today are false alarms. So here's a great way to verify whether or not this was an incident that needed some action.
And since it's a multi-tier, multi-user solution, it can contact friends, family, emergency contacts that you've authorized if an event does occur. So if you're on a plane, if you're out of town, you're still connected and your house is still protected. The mobile app is really what connects you to the system. In fact, you can monitor multiple locations at the same time. So if you have a loved one that lives out of town, you can still check in on them and stay connected to them, make sure they're okay, even when you can't be there. Knowing that your home is safe and that your family is secure and protected, that peace of mind is really what it's all about. And that's why we made Oplink so affordable and so easy to use. We want everybody to have that.
Don't you wish we lived in the future where we didn't have to sacrifice our coziness to figure out who's at the front door?
Well, the future is calling, and it's called Remobell.
Yes.
Remobell. It's a wireless video doorbell.
Quickly install on your front door, your porch, the garage you share with your annoying neighbor, or any other weird places you might want to keep an eye on. Installation is easy. Just screw this baby on like this, and you're good to go. Seriously, that's it.
Guess what? The perfect dress I ordered online is finally coming. And despite my zen-like patience, I can't help but check tracking info every few minutes and sprint towards the door every time I hear a sound. But now with Remobell, false alarms, stolen moments, and crushed dreams are a thing of the past. It will let me know the exact second that my package arrives at the door by giving me a motion sensor notification. Quickly deal with the outside world, your way, on your time. Hey! Well, I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, no problemo. I'm just chillaxing.
No.